Hey, what's up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration of Virginia Beach. Got a 2008 Dodge Magnum for you. This one came in, needed a paint job, and had a couple of little dents and dings here and there. So the customer pretty much wanted to stay the same factory color, but he wanted to add this white ice to it. Can't really see the white ice, the sun is not out right this minute. But as you can see, the paint job is very clean. And for it to be getting dark outside, you see the wet look in the vehicle. So this is one of the Magnums that we went back factory and just added the white ice to it. Customer put some brand new rims and tires on it. New tail lights. Y'all see it sort of got that black Knight Rider look to it. We switched it up this time. We got that John's Restoration on the window. That's the number you call if you want something done as far as auto body and paint, car audio, custom airbrushing, interior, rims and tires. Give us a call, 757-713-2277. Blacked out Magnum. I guess some people call this the murdered out look. Like I said, we repainted the vehicle. Put the white ice pearl in it. Give us a call if you need something done. We located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. John's Restoration.